Intruder, stop.
Can't we talk about this? Apparently not. This is so not cool. Oh man. Huh? My connectors. They shot him. That computer. It must have done something to my system. Better check it out.
System upgraded. New screw system activated. New antivirus detected. New firewall detected. PS2 laser wires detected.
Sweet!
How dare you enter the sacred chamber of ENIAC?
ENIAC? Like the first computer ENIAC?
How dare you question the great brain of ENIAC?
The serial number. EJ131540. You're him. You're Technis's arch enemy.
You dare speak the name of my imprisoner? You shall forfeit your body as I forfeited mine.
The keyboard. ENIAC, where's the keyboard?
Over my dead system.
That's the basic idea, but I can't terminate you without the keyboard.
Exactly.
Oh man, what do I do now? I wish Chief Fedora was here.
No one's going to save you, Penny Bumbot. I will terminate your system just as I did to his technologies, all because of your pathetic principles.
Principles? What principles? Do whatever is necessary. Alright, ENIAC. You leave me no choice.
Hey, where are you going? What are you doing?
There we go.
You cheated. This does not compute.
Don't you know? This is one bot who doesn't play by the book. I'm no hero. I'm just a guy who wants his home back.
No.
The only savior's a program that is corrupted. Of course!
No. toys and chocolate without spoils.
Initiating shutdown sequence.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You did it, boy. Thank you.
Thanks, Chief.
Quite the hero.
What do you want?
To save everyone from annihilation.
What annihilation? Didn't you hear? I saved the day.
The threat isn't over yet, kid. More terabytes are coming. The only way to stop the process is to head straight to the source. Pack your bags, kiddo. We're going to the world of Windows.